Where does the kitty going? Hey, stop biting me! Stop biting me! Zoe! I just like... Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, being a crazy cat?
Why do you want to be a crazy cat for? Because I like laying down. Whee!
Say, that line was weird. Why did you say we?
I'm trying to be fun too.
Yeah, that's not really funny to me. Yeah.
But why do you think I'm not fun?
Because I like to play and you don't, so that's why.
I like to be fun, not to be crazy cat.
That's the way my personality is, so you can forget that. Okay, I'm gonna head over here now to check something out. Ooh, maybe this. What is it, a bag?
What did you find, Willis? Oh, just a big bag.
Why is there a big bag in here for?
I don't know. Hey, where did you go, Ernie?